In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable WhatsApp in Gemini 2.0 on Android. By the end, you'll have WhatsApp connected inside the Gemini app so you can use it more seamlessly alongside your chats. I'll walk you through the exact screens to tap, explain what you'll see, and share a few quick tips so nothing trips you up along the way. Start by opening the Gemini app on your Android phone. Make sure you're on the home screen where you normally start a new conversation. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture. That's the entry point to your app settings and integrations. Tap your profile picture and a menu will appear. Look for the section labeled Extensions or Connected Apps. The wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, but both take you to the same place, a list of services that Gemini can connect to. Go ahead and open that. You'll land on a page that shows available integrations. This list usually includes Google services and select third-party apps. Now scroll down through the list until you see WhatsApp. Take your time. The list can be long, and WhatsApp may be grouped with other messaging or communication tools. If there's a search bar at the top, you can type WhatsApp to jump right to it. Once you've found WhatsApp, you'll see a toggle next to it. Tap the toggle to turn it on. When you do, the app may prompt you to review and grant permissions so Gemini can interact with WhatsApp on your device. Read the prompts carefully, then confirm to proceed. After you allow access, the toggle should stay on, and you may see a brief confirmation that the connection is active. That's it. The connection is enabled. To confirm everything worked, return to your Gemini chat screen and look for any small indicators that WhatsApp is available as a connected app. Depending on your setup, you might notice suggestions or shortcuts referencing WhatsApp when you compose certain requests. If you don't see WhatsApp in the list, it could be because the feature isn't available in your region or on your current app version yet. In that case, availability may change over time, so check back later. Also, be sure you're using the Gemini app on Android, as features can differ across devices and accounts. To recap, open the Gemini app, tap your profile picture, choose Extensions or Connected Apps, scroll until you find WhatsApp and toggle it on. With that done, you've successfully enabled WhatsApp in Gemini 2.0 on your Android device.